Hello, in this video we will see how can we use replace text block. So first let's go to text formatter, select replace text, select authentication here. So to create authentication you will have to enter a label here and then enter your API key and click on add new authentication. I will simply select my authentication. Now I will select a text from here. So for example, I am taking this index fetched successfully. I will have to write a word that I want to replace. So for example, here I want to replace index with data. So I'll write index here. Under replace, I will write the word I want this to be replaced with. So I will simply write data here. Let's run and save this. Now as we can see here, we have data fetched successfully instead of index fetched successfully.